everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this vlog, I'm gonna show you outside view of the White House here in Washington, D.C. Well, the White House is the official residence of the President of the United States. This is one of the many places to see and visit here in Washington, D.C. But unfortunately, this one, it's not really for public view. There is a fence outside, of course. Not allowed, of course, to go inside for security purposes, but still able to see the front of the house and the surrounding area. Please enjoy this video and please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Yes, this is the White House. Yeah, I'm the front of the White House, President's official residence.
Yeah, you know what? He's not very underground.
We're just actually at the fence, just right at the front of the White House.
How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor.